chapter, that another topic is representing real numbers on the number line through successive magnification. Here in exercise 1.3, the first sum is like this. Visualize 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. 2.874. Okay. What do you call this decimal form? Yes, it is terminating decimal, right? See, this 2.874 is between 2 and 3. It is between 2 and 3. So take a number line first. Here take 2 and here 3. See, 2 after 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, and this is 3.0. This is 3.0. So this is 2.874. That means it is between 2.8 and 2.9. This 2.874 is between 2.8 and 2.9. Now we'll write like this. It is between 2.8 and 2.9. 2.874 is more than 2.8 and less than 2.9, like that. Now again take number line. Now we will take 2.8 and 2.9. We will write the numbers between 2.8 and 2.1. How? This is 2.80, of course. This is 2.81, 2.82, 2.83, 2.84, 2.85, 2.86, 2.87, 2.88, 2.89, after that 2.90. That means this is 2.874. So this is between 2.87 and 2.88. 2.87 and 2.88. Again take the number line. That means it is between 2.87 less than 2.874 is less than 2.88. Again take the number line, children. See, now we start with 2.87 and the other side 2.88. We have to write the numbers between 2.87 and 2.88. So this is, let it be 2.870. It's nothing but 2.87 only. Right. This is 2.871, 2.872. This is 2.873. This is 2.874. This is 2.875. This is 2.876. 2.877. This is 2.878. And this is 2.879, and this is 2. After 879, 2.880. This is 2.880, like that. Now can we find our number 2.874? Yes, this is here. So this method is called successive magnification. See, in the second sum, you can do this sum as homework. Visualize 5.28 bar on the number line up to 3 decimal places. So how do you take this number? If you remove the bar, 5.28, 28, 28 and so on. So here up to 3 decimal places means you can take 5.282 up to 5.28. So use the same process. Operations on real numbers. Take any two real numbers. Let it be a and b. Root of ab is equal to, so let us split this square root to a and b. That means root a times root b. Similarly, root of a by b is also equal to root a by root b, but here the denominator, that means b, should not be equal to 0. Next, third one, root a plus root b times root a minus root b. Here I used a plus b times a minus b, that is a square minus b square. That means root a whole square minus root b whole square means square and root will be cancelled, that is a minus b. Same here also same, a plus root b times a minus root b, that is equal to a square minus b. Next one, root a plus root b times root c plus root d. Just find the product, like how you multiply two polynomials, like that. Root a plus root b times root c plus root d, that is equal to root of ac plus root of ad plus root of bc plus root of bd. We can solve this type of problems in the coming exercise. Right, coming to the sixth operation, root a plus root b whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. That means a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Just expand using a plus b whole square. So that is root a whole square plus 2 times root a into root b plus root b whole square. Here and here square and root get cancelled. Then finally a plus 2 root ab plus b. This laws of exponents on real numbers you have been learning from class 9. See, you are very familiar about these laws of exponents. A power m times a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. A power m whole power n is equal to a to the power of mn. And third one, a power m by a power n, that is equal to a power m minus n. Here, three cases. If m is greater than n, that means the power in the numerator of the base is greater than the power in the denominator of the base, then this is result equal to a to the power of m minus n. If both are equal means that should be equal to 1. Why? A power m, both get cancelled, that is equal to 1. The last one is if m is less than n, that means here for example 2 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 7. So then 1 by a to the power of n minus m is the result for m is less than n. So here 2 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 7 means 1 by, this is 2 to the power of 7 minus 5. Actually 2 power 5 by 2 power 7 means 2 to the power of minus 2. That minus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 7 minus 5. That is 1 by 2 square. Right. Next, a power m into b power m, that is equal to ab whole to the power of m. Right. ab whole to the power of m. Similarly, you can write one more like this using a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. This is product, this is division, right? Next, this is important. 1 by a power n is equal to a to the power of minus n. A to the power of 0, anything power 0 is equal to 1 except 0 power 0, right? Seventh question, seventh laws of exponent. See, if a power n is equal to b means this can be written as nth root b is equal to a. This is also important. If a power n is equal to b means nth root b, that is equal to a, right? Revised one, right? Here, third means if n is a positive integer that is greater than 1. If n is a positive integer, here this is greater than 1, and here this a is positive rational number. So here n is a positive integer which is greater than 1. And what about a? This a is a positive rational number but not nth power of any rational number. Then this nth root a is called third of nth order. So what is the order of the third here? N. Children, for example, cube root of 10 is there. So here the order is 3 and order is 3. Fifth root of some 25. So here the order is 5. What about the square root of 2? Square root 2 or square root 6. What is this order? Yes, it is 2 only. But here 2 will not be mentioned. 2 won't be mentioned here. And here this a is called, in the nth root a, this a is called radical. A is called radical. This nth root is called radical sign. Understand, children? For first question, simplify the following expressions. First one, 5 plus root 7 times 2 plus root 5. Here, let us multiply 5 with 2 plus root 5 and root 7 with 2 plus root 5. So 5 with first 2 plus root 5. Again, this root 7 with 2 plus root 5. So this is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 root 5. 5 times root 5, 5 root 5. Root 7 times 2, 2 into root 7. Plus root 7 into root 5, that is root 35. I am directly writing. Okay, this is root 35. Shall I repeat? This 5 should be multiplied with 2 plus root 5. Then this plus root 7 should be multiplied with 2 plus root 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 root 5. So root 7 times 2, 2 root 7 plus root 7 into root 5, root 35. Right. So this is simple. A plus b times a minus b. So what is a plus b times a minus b? This is a square minus b square. That means 5 square minus root 5 whole square. That is 25 minus 5, that is equal to 20. Understand, children? Shall I repeat? 5 plus root 5 times 5 minus root 5. Here a plus b times a minus b. That means a square minus b square. A means 5, b means root 5. A square, 5 square minus root 5 whole square. 25 minus 5, that is equal to 20. The last one, sorry, third one, root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Children, can you tell me? Which is in the form of a plus b whole square. Of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is a and what is b here? Where a is root 3 and b is root 7, right? That means let us substitute here. Root 3 whole square plus root 7 whole square plus 2 times root 3 times root 7. So this is, the square and root get cancelled, square and root get cancelled. So 3 plus 7 plus 2 times 3, root 3 into root 7 is root 21. So what is 3 plus 7? 10 plus 2 root 21. This is the answer. I will repeat. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. That means here a is equal to root 3, b is equal to root 7. So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That means root 3 whole square plus root 7 whole square plus 2 times root 3 times root 7. So square and root get cancelled. Then 3 plus 7 plus 2 root 21. What is 3 plus 7? 10 plus 2 root 21. So this is another simple sum. A minus b times a plus b. So this is a square minus b square. So that means where a is equal to root 11 and b is equal to root 7. That means root 11 whole square minus root 7 whole square. So square root cancel. That 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Understand, children, this first set? Here just multiplication. How you multiplied the polynomials like that in the first sum. Here we used a plus b times a minus b, a square minus b square formula. Here also same for the second and fourth sum. Coming to the third sum, we used a plus b whole square. Just we expanded that. Here, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. See, here we classified here 5 minus root 3. 5 minus root 3. Actually, it is an irrational number. Every third is an irrational number. Here, this is a third. Mixed third. We call it as mixed third. That means one is rational, other one is irrational. So, this is an irrational number. We can also call a mixed third. Right, this is also irrational plus irrational. It is also an irrational number. Inserts we can call binomial surd. Right, here if you expand this root 2 minus 2 whole square, then what will happen? Does it equal to a rational number? No, but we will verify. A square plus b square minus 2 into root 2 times 2. So square and root cancel. This is 2 plus 4 minus 4 root 2. That is 6 minus 4 root 2. So root 2 minus 2 whole square, that result, final result is 6 minus 4 root 2. This is mixed surd. Every surd is an irrational number. Mixed surd means one is rational, other one is irrational, right? 2 root 7 by root 7, we can cancel root 7 and root 7. Finally this result is equal to 2. So 2 is rational number. 2 is rational. Why? 2 can be written as 2 by 1 or like that. 2 pi. See, in the last class I told pi, coming to pi, I taught an interesting story about pi, knowing about pi, right? Where what do you learn about pi? Pi is an irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. Irrational number with multiply with any number, then you will get an irrational number only. That means 2 times irrational is an irrational number, right? 1 by root 3. This is also an irrational. Irrational. Right. 1 by root 3 is an irrational number. Right. 2 plus root 2 times 2 minus root 2. This is 2 square minus root 2 whole square using a square minus b square formula. We used now here and here like that. So this is equal to 4. Square and root cancel. 4 minus 2. So this is rational. Rational number. Understand, children?